Let's talk about knowledge. How do I know something? How does my brain recognize something and give me the meaning of it and the description of it, and I know what is it used for or what it means based on my experience, knowledge, whatever I have gathered so far. Everything is imprinted and registered, and through that I look at a thing and I say, I know this. How is that different from really understanding the depth of it, the true meaning of a word? Whenever I talk, whenever someone talks, the words are traveling through the air in wave forms. And we just hear the word itself. We just hear the sound. And we decipher the sound and put a meaning that what is registered here into the sound. And actually, whatever I'm talking to you, you understand it based on the information that you have so far. You are not really grasping the true meaning unless you are there attentively with intention and clearly listening to. Because in reality, the sound is very interesting. It carries the meaning with it. There is the meaning packaged in the sound itself. So we are not only hearing the sound, we're also hearing the meaning of it. That meaning is only available if you're not there. If you are there as a self-image, as a filtering mechanism, as an interpreter, as you're saying, this is it, this is that, this is my past knowledge, and if you are in your brain immediately going to the file system and pulling out whatever I heard about this in the past and collecting them up and packaging and saying, okay, this is it, voila, I understand. If you do that, you're not truly getting the message. Many of the philosophers in the past talked about this. A message may not arrive at its destination. A message arrives at its destination only the receiver is attentively, actively listening, not interpreting, not thinking about the next action, not trying to refer to the past knowledge, not only assuming that it means the thing that the listener knows. So listening is an art. If we are listening truly, then we are one with the universe itself. We are humming with the vibe of the universe. And then we can truly understand the meaning of whatever the person is saying. And then we can truly resonate and respond to that rather than react to it. Response is when we connect, when we bond, when we don't exist together. There's only one single matrix entity, two brains together, but there is oneness, and the message travels between two. That is how we truly learn. And this is truly how the spiritual knowledge is transmitted. So open your antennas, open your ears, hear out. Your brain needs to be empty, quiet, still. If it is quiet, still, then you're hearing everything around you. You're not only hearing the words, you're hearing the environment as well. You're hearing the birds, you might be hearing the wind, you might be hearing the cars passing, you might be hearing everything around you attentively with attention. Where there is attention, there is no attendee. You and I, we are out of the picture, and there is just conversation happening. If there is only conversation, then that is true love and bonding. Much love. Hope we can hear each other.